Hi, it's Natalie Ledwell here, and I wanted to invite you into my home. I was very excited. I just finished a renovation on my kitchen and I wanted to share it with you. So come inside and let me show you. So come on in. And ooh, the mailman's been. So one of these boxes is actually a gift for you. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because I want to unveil what that is. So come on inside, let's have a look. So what do you think? I'm so proud of the kitchen that I've been able to get created here. It's a space that I can really, feel like I can do some cooking and really look after myself and after my health and spend a lot of time here. So why don't we open some of these packages? I mean, I know one is for you, but I don't know what's in the other ones. Maybe we should have a look. Hold on. All right, well, let's start with this one first. I order everything on Amazon because I don't like to go shopping, so I can't remember what I ordered. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, that's right. Got some hangers for all my skirts and for my new closet that I have created. So that's very handy. Love that. Oh, this one, I think I know what's in this one. I, again, been shopping online. Let's see what we have in here, just to make sure. So these sunglasses are actually made from recycled plastic, which is why I purchased them. So, oh, look at these. They look fantastic. Look at that. How beautiful. Oh yeah, they're going to look great on. There's those ones. And what were the other ones? I can't remember the other ones I got. Ooh. Oh, yes, the champagne colour. These are going to go fantastic with what I'm wearing right now. This is so great. Okay, so that's great. Don't you just like unpacking boxes? I do. Now we've got the big box. Ooh, now this one I know my designer actually ordered some stuff for me. So it's going to be interesting to see what she got. It's awesome. Okay, some wrapping paper, let's throw that away. Ooh, look at all these boxes. Okay, this is cool. What have we got here? Oh my God, this is like Christmas. Right. Okay, so I know these are for the bathroom. Let's open the big one first, shall we? We do that. Oh, for tissues, the tissue holder. Ooh, I like that. It's kind of ceramic, so it's lovely. What else have we got here? Oh, and this is for, I think, cotton buds and things. It's really cool. All matching. I know, I feel like I'm, what else are we doing here? Ooh, another one of these. Lovely. It'll look fantastic in my bathroom. I need one for the kitchen too. God, what's the tall one? We know what the short ones are. I'm making a mess. Yes. Ooh. Oh, for soap dispenser. Oh, what a lovely set this is. Isn't it lovely? All right, over there. Oh God, I am making a mess, aren't I? What's in here? Ooh. Another one of these. Okay, so I have two bathrooms. So it stands to reason why she got all of these for me. This is great. And one more. Beautiful. All right, so that's these boxes, but this box, this is the one that I've been waiting to show you because this in here is actually a transformational gift just for you. And I know that thousands and thousands of people have already taken advantage of this gift, and I want to make sure that you also get the benefit of this life-changing gift. Oh my goodness, what is it? What is it? What do we got? Ah! here we go. My best-selling book, Never in Your Wildest Dreams. So let me tell you all about this book. Okay. So this book, Never in Your Wildest Dreams, hit the bestseller list on Amazon. I wrote it, I think, back in 2013. And I knew I had the formula on how to be able to create the life of your dreams. And I knew I wanted to put it into a book series or into a book. And when I approached my publisher, they said, look, we think you should write a story. So it's actually fiction, it's transformational fiction. It follows the hero's journey, and it has all of the life lessons in there that's going to help you to create the life that you want. And today I'm going to be shipping you a soft cover absolutely free. So in Never in Your Wildest Dreams, you'll find an extraordinary story that is filled with my best kept prosperity secrets that, if you're anything like me, will keep your eyes glued to the page. Now, the real twist here is that it's a really interesting format. It's an interactive, multi-sensory experience, which means it also comes with an exclusive Inside the Chapter video series that you'll be able to access when you finish each of the chapters via a secret link that's in the book. So not only will you go on this amazing journey with my main character, Catherine, but you'll also get practical, life-changing tips on how to implement the life lessons into your own life. Now, we usually charge for this life-changing book, but for you, we're going to be waiving that fee, and I'm going to give it to you for free. And all I ask is that you help us out with the shipping fee, and it's yours, and it'll be sent right to your front door. All you have to do is click on the link that's below this video, and I'll personally send you your book right now. So enjoy.